Hey guys, welcome back. And I received this beautiful, beautiful box here from Mefa Beauty. They are having a Black Friday sale, so you definitely want to check this out. If you are a nail tech, if you go to a nail tech, if you do your feet at home, if you want to start doing nails, this is a great manicure kit for beginners. And it includes all the tools that you need. And if this one is not one that you want some little extra stuff or little different stuff, there are several different kits on their website. Okay, and I will show y'all that there are several different kits on their website. All right, so let's get into opening this package. All right, so we have the package open here, and first of all, like I said, this is a kit, so you are going to get absolutely everything that you need. So right here we have our nail lamp. This is our nail lamp, and as you can see, it has 30, 60, and 90 seconds. You're also going to get a user manual so that you will always know what you're doing, okay? And this is the plug for the lamp. So you have the lamp here. In this particular kit, you are getting nail polish swatches, which I absolutely love, so you can check out the polish for yourself before you put it on your nails. Let me open this up. All right, let's get into this particular kit. So here I have some nail art stuff I can play around with. Some diamonds, some acrylic. I can dip the acrylic in here or dip my top coat in here. I have some gold foil, some silver foil. Y'all know how I feel about glitter. Oh, we're going to have fun with this. Let me give y'all a little bit of, look at that. We are definitely going to have fun with this. Also in this kit, like I said, you get the fingernails so that you can test the colors. You also get rhinestones. We got rhinestones. We have a nail brush, everything you need. Everything you need. You have the dusting off brush here. You have cuticle oil. This is very imperative, you guys. Cuticle oil up underneath and on top of the nails. I know they don't tell y'all that. Underneath and on top of the nails. If you want to do a pedicure, you have your footsies. You have your nail files, your regular nail file, and your buffing nail file. Tweezers, cuticle pusher, nail clipper. Oops. All right, there we go. Absolutely stoked. There is the items from the kit. Everything you need to do a manicure, and let's get into the polish. Keep in mind that this is a very good gift choice as well. If you're looking to get your nail tech a Christmas gift, a birthday gift, or anything like that, if someone in your family does nails, this is a very good gift, and Black Friday is coming. These kits will be 56% off the original price. So where a kit would be $49.99, you can get a kit for as low as $21.99 between November 20th and November 27th, okay? I'm actually going to, at the end of this video, show you some of these beautiful polishes on my nails. Let's get into the polish. You do get instructions for the kit, and let's get into the polishes. All right, here are the polishes, guys, and we have a combination of various colors that is suitable for every season. You have your yellows, your neon oranges, your pinks if you want to do summer, spring. You have all those colors here, a couple of peaches. You have your winter. Here's your greens, your winter falls, your fall colors, your burgundies. You have purple. You have gray. Wow, I don't think I have a really good gray color. Oh, wow. That's a beautiful, wow. That's like the color on the new Kias, the new Toyotas, that pretty bluish gray. That is absolutely beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. You have your oranges, your hot pinks, anything. There's another gray over here. Is this black or gray? Let's see. Wow, that's a different gray. I'm super excited for this kit because these colors, these variety of colors is like crazy. It's like you have a orange, but not your normal orange. And you have three peaches here. There are three different peaches here. There are three different pinks. You have some lavender, some light blue. I see three different purples. You have a glitter. I do have two glitter polishes. Y'all know how I feel about glitter, so let's get into the glitter. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Oh, I cannot wait, you guys. At the end of this video, you are going to see me. I'm going to change my nails, and we are going to get into it. Two glitter polishes. And there is also a base coat, a top coat, and a matte. So if you're the type of person that does nails, or like I said, if you have someone in your family that's getting ready to get into nails, these nail kits will give them everything that they need. Keep in mind, once again, November 20th to the 27th, click the link that I'm going to give you down below so that you can get the discounted price. Stay tuned. I'm going to do my nails and come back and show you guys what's on my nails. Hai cái chân ngọn đợi đó. All right, dolls and jits, and I'm just going in polishing my nails, showing you guys what I am putting on my nails out of this kit. I actually started with the glitter polish. You guys know I love to glitter. I didn't have any fall stickers or anything, so I am having to freehand this entire style of polish. So I just wanted to come show you guys me doing one of the nails, and I'm going to come back and show you all of the nails. It did take some time because I had to go off the top of my head as far as what I wanted to do. But I think I successfully accomplished what I needed to accomplish. I love the colors in this kit. You get glitters in every single color you can think of to create whatever type of design you want to create. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys what I did to the entire hand. And here I'm just going in with a second coat of glitter because I want it to really pop, putting it under the lamp. So I'm actually enjoying these colors, picking out all of my other colors and getting started with what I want to get started with. And I'm trying to show you guys the bottle. The bottle is absolutely beautiful. All the bottles in the kit come with these colors on each side. Really, really nice, cute design. So this is what it looks like, and this is the nail gel polishes. So let's keep working on these long talions, y'all. And here I'm going in with a beautiful brown color. We can't do fall without a brown, right? Beautiful brown color. There were 2 or 3 browns in this kit, so it was a tough decision. Luckily, the kit belongs to me, and I can play around with it whichever way I want to. So I'm just going in with a deep, dark brown color, and I will show you guys all of the entire hand at the end of the video. All right, guys, we are back with the finished products. I have used the Mefa nail polishes. I'm trying to see why it's not. Oh, let me turn this off. That might be taken away from the light. There we go. Sorry about that. So once again, this is the polishes from the Mefa polish collection. I received the 32-piece kit, but I showed you guys there are a lot other kits on there. This is a great manicure kit for beginners, or even if you're not a beginner. I consider myself a semi-beginner. It includes all the tools that you need. It is a combination of a variety of colors that are suitable for every season. Do not forget that for Black Friday, this kit is 56% off the original price. The kits normally range $49.99 and the kit is $21.99. This video is up so that you can click the link and check out the polishes and order your kit. These are the designs I created with the kit. All of these colors came out of the 32-piece kit you see over here that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Excuse me. Sorry about that, you guys. I'm getting over a little cold as everyone else, but all the details that you need are in the description box, so I hope that you will click it. I hope that you will share this video with anyone that you know that does nails. Share this video with your nail girl. Go online and do your Christmas shopping. Nieces, daughters, sisters, cousins, anyone that you want to gift this to. It is a great holiday gift, and the Black Friday sale is happening now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you will subscribe and share this video with someone. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Mefa, for allowing me to try your polishes. They are absolutely beautiful. And I'll see you guys in the next video.